In Bibliometrix, it's simple to use multiple database files, even if they're different databases from which you've exported data. And I'll show you how to do that. But there is a process we need to follow. So let me describe the process, and then I'll show it on my screen so you can see it. First, we export our data, our references, from the various databases, such as PubMed, Web of Science, Scopus, or any database that is supported by Bibliometrix. Then, for each of those files, we import them into Bibliometrix and then export them. Then, we merge the data. We do that by importing all those files we've just exported from Bibliometrix. So we import them into Bibliometrix and we save them as a single file. So a few steps, but it's actually really simple. So just follow along. And by the way, please like this video. I'd very much appreciate it. First things first, you notice I've got two files, one exported from Scopus and one from Web of Science. And of course, you might have more files. In Bibliometrix, I'll just load up these files as I always do. So I'll click Import or Load, Import Raw File. My database, in this case, is Web of Science. I'll click Browse, choose my Web of Science file, click Open. Click Start to load up the data, and I just need to click on Close. Now, I must remember to do this, I need to export my data. So Export Collection, choose Save As, and feel free to choose either Excel or our data format. I'll just choose Excel for now and click Export. I'm going to now do the same for the rest of my academic files I have to load up. In this case, the next one was Scopus. Click Browse. I'm doing the same thing. Click Scopus, click Open, click Start to load it up, click Close, and again I need to export. So make sure you export it as the same file type. It just for some reason seems to work better. So I'll export that as Excel. Good. Let's go and look at our files. So you see I now have my two exported files for my two databases. So in Bibliometrix, I now need to load both of these files, merge them, and then export a single file. Let's go back into Bibliometrix. I now click Merge Collections on the left-hand side. I click Browse, and I'll select both my files. So I've selected both my files I want to load up and click Open. Now I click Start and I click Close. In this case, what I want to do is I want a single file with all my unique references. So I'm going to export them and save them as an Excel file. It's just that then in the future, when I load them back into Bibliometrix, again, I won't have to load multiple files. I'll just have one single file. So again, I'll just choose Excel, export that, and there we go. I now have my single Excel file that I can use in the future. And the way I'll load that is I'll click Import or Load. I'll change this to Load Bibliometrix file, and then click Browse, find that file I exported, load it up. And that's how simple it is. Thanks for joining me.